SOLIDWORKS you can use the View palette to create your drawings. This feature has two tools that can help you create your drawings quickly. The first is the Import Annotations. This will import annotations and dimensions to the drawing that is placed on the model. You can even adjust your model from the drawing using these annotations. The second one is the Auto Start Projected View. This will automatically create a projected views of your first inserted model. These views are of course based on the type of projection you have decided in your template.